Hello, this is Taiki. Today we're gonna be looking at while doing something simultaneously. Now this is going to be really simple. Nagara. You want to have verb stem plus nagara. Okay, while doing. Now what does this mean? Give you an example. ご飯を食べながらテレビを見る。テレビを見る。ご飯見よ。食べながら。So 食べ. The verb stem of 食べます。To get a verb stem, you don't have a must form, you take out must, that's when you get verb stem. 食べます is to eat, right? So when you take out must, bye bye must, that's how you get it. With nagara, while eating, meal, I watch TV. While eating, meal, I watch TV. Does that make sense? You want to pay attention to which is more primary action. Verb stem, this verb stem part is the secondary action, meaning it's not the primary action. It's not the main action. テレビを見る is the main action. So what happens if you reverse this? I want you to go back to this example after I write down the reversed version. テレビを見ながらご飯を食べる。ながら me again, that's a verb stem of 見ます You want to take out must, that's how you get verb stem. While watching TV, I eat meal. While watching TV, I eat meal. Now this is the secondary action because it goes first. So the difference between those first example and this example is the first example. It sounds like watching TV is a primary thing and I happen to eat meal. Whereas this one, eating is a primary action and I happen to watch TV. Now, in my opinion, the first example is more natural because you watch TV, that's your main focus, and happen to eat meal is more common than eating is a primary action and you happen to watch TV. Does that make sense? So you want to have this verb stem part as a secondary action. That's not the main action. I hope you understand. But let's do another example. 食べながら歩く。食べながら歩く。食べながら歩く。食べ verb stem of 食べます which is eat. ながら so while eating, walk. Walk, which is the primary action here. Yes, 歩く so walking is a primary action and you happen to eat as a secondary action. What if you want to reverse it? 歩きながら食べる so while walking, eat. What's the secondary action? Here. 歩きます 歩きます is the verb stem. You want to take out must out of 歩きます which is the mass form. That's how you get 歩きながら食べる eat. So eat while walking. Now, you might think this second example sounds weird, but it's not really. Depends on the situation. If you say this one, 食べながら歩く, you're most likely focusing on walking. So maybe you're strolling in town and you happen to have onigiri or something, rice ball. That's natural. The second example, maybe you're eating the meal, dinner, and you happen to just, maybe you have ADHD like me and you just walk around. Aruku becomes a secondary action. So I wouldn't say this is natural, this is unnatural. Both can be natural depending on the context. But I want you to understand the secondary action is here. Verb stem, nagara is a secondary action. What's after, which is the verb, main verb, is going to be the primary action. I want you to just experience making sentences using nagara to get used to this. I can give you a task. How would you say watch movie while eating popcorn? What comes first is watching the movie, right? So the primary action here is watching the movie, right? So does it come first? Second. So you want to have popcorn を食べながら as a secondary action. Less important. 映画を見ます watch a movie. ポップコーンを食べながら映画を見ます while eating popcorn. Watch a movie. That's how you use nagara. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was not really confusing. And if you have more questions, you can ask me anytime on the comment section below. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And share this video with Japanese learners. That will help me a lot and they might help. And my videos might help them too. So spread the positivity, spread the education, Japanese learning. It's really fun. And if you want to have a private one-on-one lesson with me online, I'll have a link in the description below. You can check it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.